That's what we need.
Debbie, are you subscribing to my channel? Hey everybody! Welcome back to Coco's Vegan Journey! Woo! For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. For those of you that are back for more of the cocoa sauce, thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked my last video on why I became vegan. And so right now, this is just a quick one, and I'm gonna give you my top cocoa 5 vegan tips right here, right now. So before I go into this video, I want to ask you to make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, thumbs up, or if you don't like, thumbs down, and do me the biggest favor ever and leave me a comment. I promise you I'll reply. Okay guys, so these are Coco's 5 major vegan tips. Number 1, educate yourself on why you are doing this. Do not do this because, oh, it's a fad and your favorite celebrity is doing it. Don't do it because your girlfriend did it and she lost a whole bunch of weight. Do it for yourself. So my number 1 tip is educate yourself on what it is to be vegan, the benefits of vegan, just everything, why it's good for your body, your mental, your spiritual, your emotional health. And my top video for newbies to watch is What the Health. That video changed my mind about food, changed my mind about everything, and it made me be, I don't know, I guess I just felt like, yes, I'm absolutely doing the right thing for my body. Another video that I recommend, because some people are raw vegans, is Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. Now, I watched that video a couple of years ago, and I actually did the juice fast, one of the juice fasts that they recommend on the video, and it was awesome, great benefits. But now being vegan, like, it just has so much more meaning to me, and I feel like it's definitely something that you should watch. So that's number 1. Number 2, definitely one of the best advice that I got from Nadine. Hi, Nadine. She is one of my health coaches. She told me that no matter where I go out to eat, that I should always take my salad dressing with me. Because sometimes you'll go to a restaurant and they will swear to you up and down, no, there's no cheese in this, there's no egg in this, there's no gluten, there's no whatever. And come to find out, there'll be a little bit of egg, or a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and before you know it, you've eaten a whole cow and you didn't even know. So it's best for you, carry your own salad dressing. I have my favorite salad dressings, and I'm gonna do a video on all my favorite vegan salad dressings and where I get them from. But that's one of the things. Make sure you carry your salad dressing, because no matter where you go out to eat, you can always have a salad. Thirdly, for those of you that do a lot of traveling, because I do a lot of traveling, wherever you're going, research the restaurants in the area where you're staying that have either vegan dishes on their menu or a vegan restaurant. So that's always a great thing. So that way when you get there, you're not feeling flustered, you don't feel overwhelmed, and you don't get tempted by all the goodies, well, the former goodies on the in-room dining menu. Another tip is for someone like me that loved my snacks, my Doritos, my hot fries, and all those things, I always make sure that I have a snack with me. So I make my own trail mix. So I put my raisins, my cashews, my almonds, my pecans, craisins if you want to, even plantain chips inside a little Ziploc bag, shake it up, and voila, I have a great snack. Even apples, make sure you carry your snacks with you. And another tip is, my final tip is, again, for travelers, if you have the ability to choose your meal, do it. Call the airline if you have to speak with your travel agent. Trust me, they actually do offer a vegan option for us. So you don't have to say, okay, I'll order the chicken, but just scrape the chicken off and I'll eat just the rice or the vegetables. No, you can actually have your own perfect meal prepared just for you. Those are my 5 tips. Share with me your 5 tips. I want to know, what do you guys do? What are the 5 things that you think will be helpful for those out there that are trying to be vegan, maintain being vegan, anything? Tell me, talk to me. I want to hear about it. So bonus tip, very important. surround yourself with like-minded people. I mean, I remember when I decided that I was gonna go on this journey, one of my girlfriends, my best friend in the whole wide world, today, love you. She told me that she was gonna do it with me to encourage me. I mean, this is someone who has always been healthy, always eaten well, everything. So I felt like, you know, I really needed to have someone like that in my corner that could encourage me, and that was great. So she basically changed her diet as well, went totally plant-based, and we were both always WhatsApping each other, sending each other different recipes, showing each other pictures of what we ate, encouraging each other. Also to get a health coach, get someone who's gonna remind you all the time the benefits of why you're eating healthy. So just to remind yourself, like, I'm doing this because it's helped me to get over my cramps, it helped me to get over my depression, it helped me to get over headaches or migraines, whatever the case may be. Get a health coach, someone that's in your corner, rooting for you, encouraging you. I have two people that I depend on so much. Nadine helped me so much. Love Bear Food, follow her page. And also shout out to Coach Akins. Woo! Akins 007, Akins B007. Follow him as well on Instagram. He's amazing. The best health coach ever. I mean, it's good to have like-minded people in your corner, because you're gonna have so many people that are gonna say to you, this is not sustainable, you shouldn't do this, you need to have protein, you need the meat for your bones, sustenance, and all this sort of stuff. And it's all a crock of shit. Find people that are thinking like you are, and the rest